Hi, I'm Maciej from Ionea, talking about the data loss prevention. Today I would like to talk about Xen-orchestra, because if we have our XCP-NG, mostly more than one, it would be good to manage it somehow. And here we have Xen-orchestra. I will show you how to install and update potentially in the future Xen-orchestra. It will be fully automated. I will show you the script which will, like I said, install and update it fully automatical. But first, let's start from the sponsored part. If you need our support in designing, implementing or maintaining infrastructure related to virtualization, remote access or TrueNAS storage, feel free to contact us. If you don't need our support but you like what we do, like and subscribe, you know the drill. Thanks. And now let's get back to the technical details. Let's start from the visit on Xen-orchestra website. They are permanently adding a lot of features. They are permanently update the product. We have a couple of possibility to use the Xen-orchestra. Let's go to the pricing. We have two types of pricing. First, it is only support for Xen-orchestra as itself. We can start from the zero. It's a good price, and we can go higher, depend on what we really need. Now licensing looks slightly differently because we have support not only for Xen-orchestra as itself, but also for XCP-NG. So the base packet is $200 per year, and we have a supported Xen-orchestra as itself and up to 3 hosts in it. Like always, it depends on what we really need. It will be $2,000 or $4,000 for 3 hosts, but let's see for the specification. Unfortunately, the very nice features like incremental backup, full replication or smart backup are in much more expensive packet. So let's install our own Xen-orchestra with the full functionality for free from sources. It looks like that. There is a guy, Ronnie Nevi, I have no idea how to pronounce it correctly, guy from Finland. He made a lot of effort to make it fully automatically. There is a script, installing script. It have over 1,500 lines. It's a lot. He made a lot of good job. It's a great place to start automation using that script. To implement it in production environment, it would be good at least to see what is in there, what is he installing. But like I said, as a first solution, start solution, it's a great way to start. So I have my Debian 12 test virtual machine. So what we will do, we will copy of that git source. We will go to our virtual machine, and let's do like that: git clone, copy and paste. Now we will have the installer on our disks. What we need to do first, it's important, we need to create a folder for XOA. We need to do sudo make directory opt xo. I will put all that lines, all that comments to article. Don't worry, you will have it in article on the website. Okay, we have done it. So let's go to the folder which we just downloaded, and all what we need to do in this moment, it's use that script. That's all. Of course, sudo. Let's use it like that. So it will start and it will discover the it made discovery quite correct. it's Debian 12, base directory, the root port, port is 80. So for this moment, let's go out. Let's check this configuration. What do we have there? We always can change the port. Sometimes it's necessary because, for example, port it's already occupied, so we can change it. The install directory, it's also possible to change it. The most important thing, plugin. That's the good idea because we will need those plugins later, at least most of them. We have folder which we need to put our certificate if we want to use SSL. And that's probably all. We can use Acme, so let's encrypt. But to use let's encrypt, we have at least part of the website we should expose to internet. That's not the best idea, at least in my opinion. So I would like to not use this. In generally, that's all. So let's go back to installation, and we can install, we can update in the same way. So if we will install it, it will then it will take some time, and we will have possibility to get new updates, and we will come back here and just click to update it, and he will do it. He will do it. So I click start. It is ongoing. It will definitely take some time. So yeah, it will take some time to finish. Yeah, quite good suggestion. Grab a coffee. So literally, I went to make a coffee for me. Okay, let's wait. Perfect, it's done. He made a lot of effort and it's done. So what's happened? We can see that on port 80 with admin net password admin should be reachable. So let's go there. We should use not encrypted. Admin net password admin how original. Don't. So we have now the clear Xen-orchestra. Okay, that's perfect. There is no server, there is no nothing, just the clearest possible Xen-orchestra. But if you are migrating from your old Xen-orchestra, you can always use a backup. It's possible to do that via settings, XOA-config. If we will do download, we will have downloaded configuration, but this one is totally clean, so it makes no sense. But let's do opposite way. Let's import it, drag and drop, import. There is a password. If on the moment of exporting you will put the password, you will need it here. I didn't do that for this test purpose, so just okay. He logged us out. And admin. What's then? So now we have configured something. In this case, it's just this server which is used to test. It's so it's possible to quite easy to move configuration from the old Xen-orchestra to new Xen-orchestra. We can take a look on that server, so we can see that something happened in the background. So in the matter of fact, the Xen-orchestra was installed. We can see that there is some additional VMs there because they are already on XCP-NG. Those are stats for this virtual server used to install Xen-orchestra. So we can see he pulled it from XCP-NG server. That's all. It's quite easy. It's very useful script. So if you want to start with the automated install, that's the great way to do that. So just take it and use it. In my opinion, it's great. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, if you need our support in designing, implementing or maintaining infrastructure related to virtualization, remote access or TrueNAS storage, feel free to contact us. If you don't need our support but you like what we do, like and subscribe, you know the drill. Meanwhile, we invite you to watch other materials or maybe see you later. Thanks, bye!